changing the frequency on the RT300RF and RT500RF battery-powered thermostats. Sometimes other RF electrical devices within a 30-meter range can create interference. This can cause your RF thermostat to operate when it's not supposed to. We call this an RF frequency issue. If you are experiencing RF frequency issues, you can change the frequency to prevent this from happening. If you're not sure whether your thermostat is battery or mains powered, contact your installer or a qualified electrician before proceeding. On the underside of the thermostat, loosen the 2 screws and remove from the backplate. On the reverse of the thermostat, locate the black jumper pegs numbered 1 to 5. Take out random pegs, for example numbers 2 and 4. Keep these safe for future use. Turn off the mains power supply to the receiver, ensuring there is no electricity supplied to the unit. If in doubt, contact your installer or a qualified electrician. On the underside of the receiver, loosen the 2 screws and remove from the backplate. There are 5 dip switches numbered 1 to 5. Turn off the switches to match the jumper pegs you have just removed, 2 and 4. Replace the receiver on the backplate. Ensure the screws are securely tightened. Turn the mains power supply to the receiver back on. On the thermostat, insert a paperclip into the reset button. The home screen will appear. The frequency change process is now complete, and your thermostat should operate your boiler without interference from other devices.